Why does your scanner show the P0008 engine code, and what does it mean? The P0008 engine code stands for the Engine Position System Performance in the Bank 1. The P0008 engine error code indicates that the camshaft and crankshaft are not aligned correctly when the engine is running. It means the ECM is detecting a variation in the mechanical timing between the crankshaft and Bank 1 camshaft sensor. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Timing chain, timing chain tensioner, camshaft solenoid, engine oil, crankshaft reluctor wheel, ECM, wiring, camshaft or crankshaft sensors, timing components, ECM software. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code is a generic OBD2 code, but it's more common in vehicles from General Motors, including Suzuki, GMC, Cadillac, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.